Hi, this is Rodney Walker with Grants USA, and I am super excited to be partnering with our friends over at Essex Regional Education Service Commission to bring you the Education Grants webinar. This is going to be a powerful webinar that's going to be taking place on Thursday, October the 18th at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I want to encourage you to join me. Bring your team for some dynamic information that can help your school go to another level in receiving education grants. Whether you're a school or district, this webinar is going to help you to do the following. I'm going to be exposing some information that less than 5% of the other schools and districts are doing to secure funding. I'm going to be sharing with you some information such as the 5 common policies that prevent schools and school districts from getting funded. And I'm going to be sharing with you some strategic ways that your school and district most likely are not using right now that you can use to begin to turn that ship around to bring more funds your way. I'm also going to be sharing with you what you need to do right now to start unlocking grant money for your district. And I'm going to share with you some things that I've seen other school districts do to begin to bring in more funds. This webinar is going to be brought to you absolutely free, and I'm going to be providing you some insight that is so valuable. If you take some action steps on the information, funds will begin to come your way. So sign up right now, bring your team, and I look forward to seeing you real soon.